Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad from How to PC. Today I'll walk through how to turn off airplane mode in Windows 10 or any Windows. The step is very easy. You go in the bottom right, you see here you have airplane mode. You can turn off or turn on. We are turn off, or by go to setting in the bottom left and go to setting. From setting you go to network. From network you have here airplane mode. Click on it. You see we are turn off. If you turn this on the top of wireless communication, you can turn on, or you can make the wireless device when you make airplane mode Wi-Fi. When you make that is on, so Wi-Fi is not disconnected, or with the Bluetooth too. This video for today I hope helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See new stuff and see you next time guys.